Hello, this is Willa, and today I have an exciting job for those who would like to do non-phone work. The job is from a company called Flow. It's a live chat and email support agent. Flow is a content marketing and live chat agency. Companies partner with Flow to build their brand, convert visitors, and retain customers to scale their growth. They are hiring for a permanent full-time US-based live chat agent, and they are only hiring in the US at this time. This company will usually respond to your application within 14 days or sooner. The job details are you will work remotely from your home office or anywhere you'll have an interruption-free environment with a reliable internet connection. You may be based anywhere in the U.S. with the exception of California and New York. However, your shift will occur during Mountain Time. You must have your own computer and a mobile phone. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time are the available shifts. Pay for the position is $11 to $12 an hour. Benefits for this position is 10 days PTO, 9 paid federal holidays, and health care after 30 days qualifying period. They are also asking that you deliver world-class customer service by way of chat and email, promptly greet website visitors by way of chat text box. You will answer a wide variety of questions related to the client's industry. You will solve problems and authorize returns when necessary. You will be assisting customers with the use of a client's product, website, or service. And you will use internal communication software to interact with your teammates, management, and other departments. You'll be required to study, test, and train on the websites and knowledge bases of a primary client's account. The chat and email are continually monitored for performance and feedback. The requirements to be a self-starter, a problem solver, a sensitive and skillful communicator, tech savvy and eager to learn new technology, be a multitasker while being organized and attentive to detail, and able to stay energized and motivated with limited supervision. The experience required for this job is a call center agent, 1 year preferred, a sales experience, 1 year preferred, customer service, 1 year preferred, and Zendesk system, 1 year preferred, but not necessary because you will be trained on all of those preferred experiences that I just mentioned. As I stated before, the work location is fully remote and training. Communication methods used is email and chat. If you feel that you have the qualifications for this position, click on the link below this video to apply. And thank you for listening. Have a good day.